Underneath the Earth's crust is a layer called the mantle, which is near 1,000 degrees Fahrenheit at the top of the outer mantle and more than 7,500 degrees near the bottom of the inner mantle. So, pretty darn hot. When one tectonic plate is forced under another, the lower sheet of rock starts to melt from the high temperatures. As a liquid, it's less dense and rises back up to the surface through cracks in the crust.
3 scientists walk into a bar. Bottoms Up October 4th on the Weather Channel. And check out our Facebook page for a daily shot of cool science.